Now the Palestinian child are dying and I can't do anything. Only say with all power that Yedon is mine, free Palestine, with all power that was stolen day to day, with a memory of bloody and sweat, with a memory of a land that gives birth to real lovers of life and lives created by the thieves for usurped our dreams. Weapons lords never will wish the end of wars. Weapons lords never will to extinguish the hurt of a people that exudes wonders of olives and watermelons and receives beyond its means because it is their true right to thrive on their lands.